Another app that we will use in our Drive is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is the same thing as Excel. It has plenty of templates already there for you. I use Sheets pretty often, but not in any kind of a smart way. You can, Google Sheets works really well with Google Forms, and you'll see that when you look at responses in Forms. You have all the same opportunities and options as in Excel. So any kind of sorting, any kind of, what do I use? I use freeze a lot for freezing rows. I sort things, create filters, use different functions, that kind of thing. There's not really anything in here that's student specific, except that you can insert a drawing, you can insert a form, you can insert checkboxes and comments. I like that comment option, especially if you were having a student use this as a checklist or something like that. Or inserting a link is easier than it was on Excel, at least when I exclusively used Excel on a desktop. So Google Sheets is, again, just think of it as the same thing as Excel. There are obviously more things that you can do with it. Like I said, uh, the chart editor is pretty great. But there are more things that you can do with it. With forms, you can even take data out of your responses and turn it into charts directly from your forms. So if you're one of those data-driven people and you're using forms a lot, you'll probably be in Google Sheets pretty often.